Wouldn't it be great to live on a beautiful waterfront property on Georgian Bay? Here is why you'll love it. 115 feet of prime and secluded water frontage on Georgian Bay. Impressive two-tiered, 50-foot wide permanent dock. Entertainer's dream home with chef's kitchen, walk out to the sunroom with beautiful lake views, plus added convenience of an elevator. Fully finished walkout basement featuring ample living and entertaining space with a recreation room complete with a wet bar. It's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts with boating, fishing, swimming and snowmobiling at your fingertips. Agent Bosco, and this is 405 Champlain Road.